want to show you how to replace this thing with this Canon TS700. This thing. Before you print, you have to be the printer will tell you to push it in. So at times when you are pulling it out, you can mistakenly draw it with excessive force and the thing will pull out. So if it pulls out, I want to show you how to put it back. So you have to set this place, the lower part of it. You first of all set it. Then after you have set this side, you have to come up here and set this one also. See this place. Then you turn to the right hand side also. When you place it, you set this lower side, you set it here, then you come up here and set this one here, this place. You set it together with this side, then you push it. If you do it correctly, it will slot in seamlessly, just the way it was before. But if you do not do it well, you will notice that it will be hooking. So that's it. That's how to fix the tray. Thank you for watching. Watch out for other videos. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.